So what we're going to do is we're going to take this. I got a little Dremel. I don't have the right cutter, but we're going to try even this, which is a little bit of a grinder cutter, and see if this will work. And just take your time. Turn it around. Now I know you're not going to be able to turn this around because it's going to be in, but then again you're not going to have this big thick sander versus a cutter. That would have been cut through, oh geez, in 2 seconds. So then what you want to do is then get this, even though it's sitting like this, you can pull it out a little bit once this eyelet is unscrewed from the engine. And then what you want to do is get a grinder